Hi, I am Malik Udair. Welcome to Code Master. Today I am going to discuss the purpose of setter or getter methods in Java programming. The setter and getter methods are used to set or get the values of instance variables of a class. When you are using a class, it has instance variable. What is instance variable? The instance there are many kinds of variable. Instance variable, whenever you create an object of any class, a copy of that variables given to that object. It means when you store the values of those instance variable by different object, Java automatically store that values to the relative instance variable. Here, when I go to write our program, then we discussed what is instance variable and what is the setter getter method. Now here I am going to discuss a class which have one instance variable and setter method and a getter method. Then we create another class for main method, because like C or C++, Java also starts execution from the main program. New, first this class we gave its name as account dot java. Here we name the file as account, so its class name also account. Okay, then start braces and closing braces. After, when you create account class, then just after writing the class name and after the starting braces, you need a variable public string, its type and name. This is the instance variable. Whenever you create an object, whenever you create a variable after the class name, then this is known as the instance variable. This is the instance variable. You can create many variables like public, int, id. You can also give name to this. So I think instance variable, the concept of instance variable clear. So we need a method to set the value of name. Public void, it does not return anything. The method is same as like C or C++, it does not return anything. Set name, okay, it takes the parameter string, because when we create a method set, then a name passed, first we take a name of any person from the user, then we pass it to the set method. Set string name, okay. This is used to this it differentiate the method variable name and instance variable name. When you write this it shows that it is the instance variable name. Without name, it is the method variable, block variable. Okay, set method is used to set the values. I think this concept also clear to you. No get method, it returns anything because we want to fetch any record, we want to get the name of any person, so it returns string and does not take anything. Get name. Okay, we just need to return name, only return name. Okay, it automatically decide from which object it is calling and which name we want to return. Java automatically returns relative values to relative objects. So this class is complete. Now I am going to write the main class. Here first of all we need to save it. We name it account test. Account test. Oh sorry, dot java, also write dot java. Account test dot java. Okay, public class, as we written account test in our file name, so class name is also starting braces, closing braces. Next, main method, public static void main, string args. Here sorry, we import a scanner because we want to get name from the user to set the name of person. Import java dot util dot scanner. Here we need a scanner object, obj new scanner system dot in. Then we also need a variable name, string person name. Okay, now in this main method we are dealing with account class. In our previous lecture we discussed when we are dealing with another class we need its object. Here the main purpose of object oriented we are using in this program. Now I am using the account class, account. Here ACC its object name, new, and here account class. Later I explain what is the purpose of this. This is known as default constructor. In later videos we discuss what is the constructor in the Java programming. So in this lecture you focus only setter, getter method or instance variable. Now when we create an object simply by using the default constructor, only the values stored in the instance variable are null. Here we discussed how Java store the null value. We display in a command line, system dot out dot println initial value of name. Okay, initial value of name is equal to plus a double c dot get name method. We call get name method to get the value of name. It store null value. When we compile or run this program, first it shows the initial value of name is null. Now we discuss the setter method. Here you always know that we used get name method from the account class to get the value of name. I think the concept of getter method is clear in this statement. So next we want to take value from the user. Print f enter the name of student. Person name equal to obj dot next string. Here we take string variable values as a parameter. Okay, now we want to set the value of this name. As user enter the value of name, we want to set this value to the instance variable or account class. So we call it acc dot set name. It takes parameter as a string person name, so here we call this method. Now we want to display this value after getting from the user. Print ln after setting value of name it always in string double quotation. Okay, here concatenation symbol a double c dot get name method. It returns the value of name after initializing. So our program is ready to run. Go to command prompt, write cd codes master cd new folder java c account test. Here you compile all the program that is exist in new folder by java c dot static dot java. Compilation successfully completed. Now we want to run our program. Account test. Could not find the load main class. Sorry, I think an error occurred. Compile our program. Static dot java, an error occurred. What is the error object? Oh, sorry. Next line here we use next line. So again compile our program java c java static dot java. I think our program run. Account test. The value you can see here, initial value of name is null. No, here Malik. Then after setting value of name is Malik, our program is successfully run. You can see here initial value of name is null without initializing, without setting and value, without setter method used. Initial value of instance variable is null. So thanks for watching video. Please subscribe our channel for later